Hi folks, it's Chef Kevin. What I'm making now is pickled quail eggs. Pickling is a preservation process that's been used for centuries. This is the natural food preservatives. Basically, it consists of salt and vinegar. Okay, I have a bunch of eggs here. I have a whole bunch of ingredients. But let me just tell you something about quail eggs. Quail eggs have almost 3 times as much vitamin B1 as chicken eggs, 5 times more potassium and iron, and over double the amounts of vitamin A and B2, and they're also higher in omega acid. So that's the healthy part. I'm doing this because they taste good and they make a real nice, convenient snack. You can take them out of the container and eat them one at a time. They also make good hors d'oeuvres. You can put them out on a platter. People really seem to enjoy these. It's rather unusual and it's tasty. So let's take a closer look at all these ingredients I have, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Okay, I have 45 quail eggs that are hard boiled, and you can reference the videos at the end of this video to see how they're cooked and peeled. I've made quite a bit of quail egg videos. This is pickling spices. There is allspice in here, cumin, bay leaf, mustard seed. It's also good for pickling pickles as well. Very tasty. I have apple cider vinegar here, rice vinegar, sea salt, honey, black pepper, and juniper berries. I also have garlic and ginger. These all add to the flavor, the taste, and the aroma. This is not going to be a wimpy pickling. I also have dried chili peppers. You got to have some heat in this. Okay folks, I'm going to make 3 of these pint containers, and they'll last about 2 months in the refrigerator. Quail eggs are a little bit more expensive than regular eggs. I buy mine at the local supermarket. It's $3 for 15 little eggs. So if you do the math, you will find out they're a little bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it. Okay, my pint jar. Gonna go ahead, put a few in there. Piece of ginger. This is fresh garlic cloves that I just smashed and took the skin off. Put that in there. Some more eggs. You don't have to add the chili peppers, but I definitely like them. Some more garlic. A few more eggs. Another chili. A few more eggs. Piece of ginger. Another chili. Eggs. Egg, and one more piece of ginger, and I have another egg, and I got room for another egg. Okay, apple cider vinegar. Try to use the organic, which I don't have, but I'm going to have to use this. Fill it up about halfway. Now this is very potent vinegar, and I believe if you use apple cider vinegar alone, it just becomes overpowering. You can use water, but I don't really suggest that because the acidity in the vinegar is what preserves the eggs, not the water. So what I'm using is a rice wine vinegar. This is 4.5% acidity, and the apple cider vinegar is 5% acidity. Going to add a couple of juniper berries. This is what they actually make gin from. I'll just put a few in there. Gives it a nice aroma. I wouldn't say it really gives it much taste, but gives it a nice aroma. Black peppercorns, throw a few in there. Sea salt, this is very important. I'm going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, sea salt. And I'm going to put a tablespoonful of pickling spices. And I'm going to add some honey. You do not have to use honey. You can use sugar. You really don't even have to use any type of sugar, but I think it adds to the flavor. Give it a little shaky shake. And there we have one container. Looks very nice with the red peppers in there, with all the pickling spices. I'm going to go ahead and fridge this. I would say it's ready to consume in 4 to 5 days. This way you let all the flavors come together, and it's going to soak right into those beautiful little eggs, and you're going to have a nice snack. And like I said, it'll last about 2 months. Okay, folks, thanks for watching.